welcome back to it, Mapagania. We're back with another one, Mafethu. Sibuyile is fresh, Mapagania. He just destroyed the Devon City. And put so much in Moses Studio to analyze the game, Mafethu. Before we go any further, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Mafethu. You know, as I always say, Mapagania. It helps us keep the lights on, Mafethu. Hit that subscribe button, Mafethu. Ngiphethe sicala ngobani Mr Mlambo, how are you?
Ngimnandi ntanga ngimnandi simhlophe studio as they can see swinile mfethu we
happy ne Ghost we do me mfana
Kitumezi mfethu also introduce Mr Mlambo andle kinengomasha the general
ngomasha
wena umpaleli script le mfethu
uyabona sengize ngimiyekile ngoba ngathi siyalwela akhodwa ngisengqondweni
General nengomasha bise next time we rectify yeah Itu busy though.
The best in fact we are champions and we are defending this thing again. Yeah.
And last but not least, Mapagania, we have Tsepo Mukhosi in the studio.
Hola Mapagania. It's nice to be here with you guys, Mafethu. I always see it on TV. Fanache, I'm here live with you.
Yeah.
To enjoy the show, Mafethu.
You do it. Let's talk anyani. Chala Mapagania or Tsepo Gimangi or Uspana military uvia so what are background nyana anyani.
Yo vela Tsepo ke uthi grand Mafethu. Like you la le fire. Le goes to nego masheke qeta umziba now recently but le mashita it's and sharp Mafethu. Something I like wabona. So now Kitsepo, I'm serving in the military. Nothing fun can just me Mafethu. Yeah, enjoy na fun.
Diga I force.
Ulpagania pada.
Kanto vyangena Mafethu. Wena kitlaring ngithola. Mawuthola abathakatha uthakatha nawo Mafethu injalo.
Do what we do in Rome.
So, obviously, Mapagania, Scotini playing against the Devon City. I was Ghost, Mr. Mlambo, unfortunately, couldn't join us. He had some personal things to attend to. But we will get them down.
Nakanjani.
Are you sure?
Yeah, mekuyispani edladleni ngibukele efonini mfethu.
Yeah. Nice one, and then Ghost, obviously, in Turkey, we didn't encounter a lot of issues on our game at this time.
Yeah.
Obviously, we came in early. I think it helped as well.
Sure.
But it wasn't a sold-out affair. I don't think there was that anticipation. It is camera and whatnot.
Sure.
Maybe can you maybe take us through that as well as we can also jump on the post-match interviews.
Yeah, and I think this time there was no chaos, and I think as you are saying that it was not a sold out, but it was packed. In fact, we noticed.
Yeah, it was packed.
Even you know when they opened Agodim, where the seats Godim, you know it's packed.
Yeah, it's packed. Sure.
So kudos to Mapagania, Natsuide and Fetu, and as always they come and support us and show us love. They came for the post-match interviews, in fact, very interesting characters as always. I think Mapagania also saw our guy celebrating Baby Haaland.
Baby Haaland.
We didn't get his name.
What something?
Sure.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was a bright moment. In fact, I enjoyed it so much. It also shows our diversity. You know, we accommodate everyone. In fact, we are family. Yeah. And then it was also nice to see Chairman in fact to sharp always tell her to and then Lamine as well. I liked Lamine that he gave kudos to Mbutu Mora. In fact, those are Mile boy this time. That was also a nice moment. Though once he's not against Mbutu, he wants to see the boy do good. That's why I'm criticized as like constructive. He gives him pointers to say, go watch football, go do this. So I think that was those were my highlights in terms of post-match interviews.
Yeah, 100%. Mfana. Pretty much agree with everything that you've said. In fact, my guy Lamine, in fact, one time. He's becoming my guy.
He's honest. Yeah.
Like, hey, that guy on a filter. Sure. He puts it as it is. He reminds me a bit of Junior Kanya.
Sure.
Because I'll tell him like it's unfiltered, Mr. Lamine. The way he feels is the way that we extra sangati. I enjoyed his post-match interview as well. As you said, he gave 2 nice flowers, or at least he tried today. I asked him about Osuna policy. He said, we know Osuna policy. It's just that this game, it's only 2 games. And don't forget, he lost his best friend. World Cup fatigue, So I think in his life, personally, I think there's a lot going on there. But I don't good time with it. After 5 games, 6 games, we'll see our own Osuna policy.
Definitely.
Beekeeper came through as well. Beautiful one. Even characters that disappeared on our channel, the likes of Mabaso, they came through. Shaba came through. Everyone who came up, thank you so much for coming through. Wafetu. Mr. Mlambo, did you get a chance to watch the post-match?
Yeah, nakanjani njengoba nisho, we thank the love mfethu. At least sekunabantu abahlale beze ngithola ama regular. But ngiyabona abo chairman vele sohlale sisha abo beekeeper, they always passionate emakangishaya usithola lento.
Selebeka on ne.
Akona isizini ayithola kahle.
Baba selebeka on.
Isizini umbheke. Ayumbheke.
No, is one of those characters when they're honest. How they feel.
Bona le nto ayile nto ay coach angiyithandi le nto ayithandi ayile nto. And that's nice because checking usithole when you started this. Sakhumbula mekangezi. He always used to stand there as bambeli body lakhe amamela abanye, but it's great to see him ngithola now sekasho naye opinion yakhe. And I think as much as omunye angathi say akavumelana naye, but at least indanga unama points naye ayingceda usole indanga uningi ayisole uningi.
Another character le bekabloma like on the background angangena umbesu manu mfethu asekayangena umbesu.
Angithi see ukuthi kusekhaya la.
They see ukuthi mfana like this is home. Bob Jwaga as well mfethu. Shout out
Bob Jwaga always.
Security came through while we were still working. Mr. Mlambo was Pazamiss, and then Bob Jwaga obviously he called him straight into all on the spot. So shout out to Bob Jwaga, it was a beautiful moment. It goes to touch the bit about riding a sold out stadium of it. We saw yesterday Kaizer Chiefs, they announced that game was sold out. I was like, what?
I remember when you showed me.
Kaizer Chiefs, when they were playing against Golden Arrows. FNP Stadium. 90,000 people in FNP Stadium. Chiefs against it was too good to be true. And no ring in Donakus. They were saying something right. No, not riding. Probably 40% thing mapagani.
I was saying, but there's no way.
And that's embarrassing. Like, what are they doing? And I saw an excuse or about tickets that were made available.
Yes.
You could have just said there, maybe there were 40,000 tickets.
I think it was 30,000.
30,000. And then you sold all of those tickets. Talk to be bold and say it's a sold out affair with bold letters and on your social media.
Then you showed me that tweet and we digested Fede Rabua. And then when I went home, Fede Kisheva gave me Fede. I'm like, what's happening? Where's this sold out? What? If it Kisheva, there's no way. Fede, like if it piece empty, half empty. Fede.
Empty, dog.
Then I go to Twitter, or no, they're talking about 30,000 available tickets that were sold. Man, raske me UI.
Asking me.
Labantu bakubusiness ukhohliwe bathengisa ama lotion bathengisa ama snacks uyangithola so bayaz-advertise bafuna ukuhamba nathi and nawo ngeke bakhipha ama-tickets maybe iCalabash 90 ibamba 90 ne 90,000 ngeke bawakhiphe bayabona ukuthi bazowaste imali abantu ngeke bayobukela iKaizer Chiefs
Mara online, if it mean I understand it's like HIV farm.
What is in fact Antona like it's embarrassing.
I
think in fact I don't know, maybe admin or sharing social media Antona has all the powers. He thought maybe showing it to his seniors too.
Yeah.
Because you know some people can, and that's something we must also remember. Remember admin, maybe what Chiefs one time.
Sure.
He's always on social media.
Sure.
So he knows what's happening on the streets. Or sold out FC, Pirates another sold out game. I think they're now showing like desperation or what's a king.
A trend.
This is our opportunity. What do
It's a trend.
So
but they always
calculator.
either way they trend for losing.
It's embarrassing.
not like that embarrassing.
And West Part, they go on and they lose. Sold out.
That's what they trend for. So akumele bazilandele ezinye izinto.
I
do it best ukudliwa.
Smart.
Siyadliwa ta. Aqeda izisithi mazi isiconsole. Sidlalile nibonile. Sidlalile. Udlale kanjani uphumile kuwebsite.
Bonile nale goli elibadlile ndoda.
Lo goalkeeper lo bafuna ku World Cup.
Kunje ke mang goalkeeper wana
Peter Sil. Nebafuna ku World Cup.
What was he doing?
Uvulela amanzi endlini.
Bayikwenzani mfethu? Watsala le nto mfethu kile nto ready mbo challenge. Bana ula bona game nitse serious wonto. We're professional goalkeeper ntwana.
Tell you something.
I hate it
Let me tell you something. When you are used to lose, danga seyisegazini nayo uyamangala ukuthi asidliwa kanjani awuthi ngivule la awuthi ngivule la senze
post match bele akharale out Peter Sele by interview
no man.
I'm telling you like it's a chaos there by Makelwadi there. He was laughing. You must check social media there.
Check it out.
Ebalimele kabuhlungu. Ayelethi milimele.
Yo, yeah. Like imagine 2 seasons without top 8 until I finally get to top 8 and then mfethu what's like sona la no ka ba re ba bulela ba bale until like
that me make even Kaizer Chiefs in the MTN 8 yake na ile ka wrestling wa bona Royal Rumble
okay bo
and bonile ze arosale za ozintanga mesingabasabi manje bayeza leza zinqahazi ziphume nje kamnandi
yo ndoda ngithi khipha we-arrows ndoda uhlaba khona yiku-6 emunongithiyeni yes
they're a small team, they must just accept that.
But even this thing in front of like hiring translator code that doesn't know English
when I saw that again I was
like at this day and age in fact you're hiring someone who doesn't know English in fact. Like in fact it must tell you something about this person because English, even Chinese people now, they are learning how to speak English. You come here, you must have a translator. When I want to shout more 16 more ground room,
how are you going to engage the players? First thing is first. Yeah, I understand.
Another thing is the players also don't know English, so it's chaos.
It's traffic.
Enough for me, it will never work. Get it translator.
But don't you say you're shy? You want to translate? Dependela pratas on a span.
Hey, cause ning vele ke opula vele ning ari kwatile crack.
Hey
karabe. La tole shy English.
Thing is bambeleo.
Yeah. Oh, I
thought like it's a mess. It's a mess. But anyway, Mapagania, let's get to Orlando Pirates, Mr. Mnambo.
Oh, before we get there, Ndona.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's true. I heard someone saying Pizzo got the job.
Yeah, Ndwana. Yeah,
It's on, vele.
Pizzo
I
got
think
the job.
basakhuluma
mfethu,
ngama-prize offer ne
no, it's just the official announcement, obviously, from SAFA.
Oh, so now they've like scoopustui. Like by break it.
No, I was a break. Obviously, like it's journalist didn't intel from
Sure.
inside.
Sure.
So,
Okay.
but obviously, formally announcement was from SAFA.
SAFA,
Mara pretty much Pizzo,
Stan.
Pizzo Stan. So Pizzo is our next coach.
So it deserves it.
It deserves
Nah, I'm
it.
happy. If he
God,
go- if he gets
deserves
it, ah,
yeah.
One tall, and they must give him time.
Yeah.
So lots of Tiski sometimes on a Spanish one tall. He might lose maybe your first 2-3 games. One tall. You know this guy, you know his track record, you know this guy is good. One tall. Like give this guy time. He's a South African. He's the best amongst these peers, most South Africa. One tall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I also saw an article saying that he's disputing a 5 million rand
into
offer.
engisho basaringa ngenyuka
So I'm thinking it's coming down to ukuthi lezi is a translator. You are giving them the money they want.
Yeah.
So now you are
My-
Okay.
analyzing my offer, my
yeah
requirement.
ama-imports
Yeah, I
ngathi babagaye
understand.
imali ebhayi
Yeah.
Okay, uthi 5 million it's Ndwana.
I think
giving Hugo Bruce 5 million a month, and then they want to give. Oh no, they were giving Hugo Bruce I think 1 point something, 1.5 a month.
yeah.
They want to give Pizzo 5 million per annum.
anam
Obviously,
There's something like that.
I already know, we'll see. But pretty much, if it is a credible journalist, they broke the story.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll see what transpires there.
I'm happy for Pizzo now.
Happy for him as well. In fact.
Yeah.
Happy for him as well. Are you happy, Mr. Mlambo?
yeah most definitely
Yeah.
yeah ngijabulile no leyifuna ngiqhubeke no ubani mina cause if you remember I said ngifuna umadala ahlale
Yeah. Ngiyayizwa le yakhona.
Yeah,
sanomadala
nemne ifuna ukuthi ngiqhubeke yangithola mina mengifuna umadala ahlale but umadala akasekho Pizzo yasideserve
Yeah, some support of noma kanjani as a South African.
Son of the soil.
Yeah, son of the soil.
Let's also hope ukuthi bazomvumela ukuthi ashaye ispan sakhe because mina manje ngiyabheka ngathi interference ibhaya la fire yangithola. So yeah, if they can let him be who he is, he's going to do a very good job.
There's the
But
Because
I-
mangithi ngiyabheka goodman lelane alibheki kubuso like if your discipline is on point and you are delivering,
Yeah.
you're going to get game time.
true
And that's what I've seen ngaye. So I'm hoping ukuthi kungabi nabantu abazombhayisisa.
seyiyehlile
ne. Phela nomvutupu le this pizza is not pizza of 10-12 years ago.
He's a senior, yeah.
Yeah, it's pizza with a lot of experience in fact. Went all over the continent. So out of it, even those demands, he knows what he's talking about.
Yeah.
I think they wanna give him whatever he wants.
Yeah.
And I
Deservedly
think,
so.
and I think even that statement like 18 McKenzie say, now I'm baking pizza.
Yeah,
You must just hire pizza.
Yeah, sure. If I can say more
sure
If yamkhulumela ndoda yamthola into enjani. Of course there'll be internal people who are also bazoba namakwala ukuthi hayi not pizza one yamthola. But I like the fact ukuthi Gaten McKenzie said it like bold ukuthi mfethu sifuna pizza yamthola.
Yeah, just like us.
Just like us, so that's why sometimes I don't agree with Gaten on a lot of things. But in Ntwana that boldness, yeah, in Ntwana like in Ntwana can cheering it out. Mutiski. I wanna let in your VR must be introduced. I wanna next season. No one's all like it.
Yeah.
Not someone who's going to wear suits every day. One's all and speak like a professional. One's all sugar coating
like
things.
fikile embalula
One's all like it. Let's put them into account.
ayisibambile
these people.
intanga lespan
Yeah, ayisibambile mfana, ayisibambile. Ngakhala sathi.
Asichubekeni mathatha.
Still wasale.
Hayi, bafethu lebe bafethu.
mara uyashaya mfethu even now World Cup you saw him ntanga like you
That guy is a minister of sports, arts and culture.
No, but angithi thina we
Sikhuluma
in
ngesport.
soccer
Yeah,
rona.
we mean soccer.
You can only talk about
Soccer,
the
like-
field that we are in. You
Yeah.
don't know much about
Arts
arts and
and
other
yeah.
things.
Yeah.
Don't Rona
But
we
for
talking
soccer-
about cheer. Ntwana we to him,
Yeah, it's
Ntwana.
there,
Give it
Ntwana.
to him. Ntwana. Give it to him.
I want that. Okay,
The
Minister,
portfolio, we know our portfolio and is huge, one
Sure.
thought.
Yeah.
But this one,
Minister of Soccer.
One-
Sisho kanjani? Ayibambile. Minister of Soccer. Ayibambile ntanga. Ayibambile.
Hayi,
Yeah.
mfethu.
Yeah.
PFT call me.
I could really TFC, Mr. Mlambo.
Yeah.
You can jump straight into Orlando Pirates versus Devon City.
Ntanga, when you are a winner, you are a winner.
Yeah.
Now we know how to win. Mara jumping straight to the game. I think I loved Tito ngendlela adlale ngalo kule game esibuya kulo, especially first half. Na second half Klims nyana no Khositsile, ubani Khositsile. I think
yeah.
mebatholana ntanga ndupitso ntanga nale mabhola meka wawipha idla mbuthuma mfethu. Mbuthuma idla man idla. Hluleka ukudla mara ntanga ne penalties was beautiful, and I think like it's true when they say when Tito is there ntanga izinto ziba ngcono. I think nale game leli, as much as we got the chances, Devon City badlala nathi for defend. Uyangithola.
Yeah.
Badlala on the counter against us. Uyangithola. But I don't think we played so bad. We got the chances, even though they got a red card. We got the chances. Ntanga Khotsitsile ntanga. Ngilibiza right. Ay kusisuka.
Yeah.
Bathi idla radio man kuyenzakalani?
Radio man,
Uyangithola.
yeah.
Mara ntanga nalapho 94 minutes ntanga. Kuyenzakaleni la radio man nomremi?
Nomre, bayalwela leya ball, you know.
You
It's
saw that
just
moment.
communication, mfethu.
And man into mengifuna ukuyibuza cause iyo mengifuna ukuyicheck. Ubhodlela uphumeleni second half.
Kawatseki.
Bhodlela, yeah, is-
Oh,
was
Kabatseki.
injured, yeah.
Cause I
First
think
half, Kawatseki first
yeah,
half.
I think for uZulu Makeba ube ne mistake ntanga yangithola. Ube ne mistake here escoste I goal. But I think leyo mistake leyo iyo ntanga ecishe yasiguy problem cause after the goal Devon City uyibonile ntanga mase ithola i-counter nalapho siye ma-recover khona, which was good. But ntanga thina we know how to win. As
Yeah.
much as we miss the chances, nginokuzwa abantu bakhala ngocoach bakhala ngani. Mina like this season since iqalile, I want to say bravo to the boys mfethu. Siqale kahle, whether we've played so well or kanjani, siqale kahle the season siqale kahle kakhulu.
What do you think of i-performance yaka Murimi?
I think Muremi mekanyeko on. But
You think so?
Beyamamela lapha engikhona. Mekanyeko on. Mawuyavela. Because
Yeah.
ipress yakhe ushaya ipali mekazama ntanga ngihlale ngisho ukuthi leya yalwela ntanga.
Sure.
And then coming back to Muremi side lakhe Ndaba omkhulu. Ndaba omkhulu. Ndaba. Yabona
Although,
uNdaba.
but yena bekasakakhathali igame maseyophela.
True,
mara
maka
udlalile.
ntanga like top.
Yeah.
Undaba ntanga like sekayakhula like, and it's proving a lot of people ukuthi mina now I belong to be here now. This
Yeah.
is my second season. I can't keep on tatazeling. I'm going to show ukuthi ngidlala kanjani. And I think ntanga ama performances akhe ngiyakutshela this season wash out for Undaba omkhulu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a quality defender there. Quality. Player like Ghost futhi.
Ndaba omkhulu.
Yeah. Hayi. Na kinkinako bona player wa ntseva mfe.
Like you saw Mariko.
Hey Mariko. Player yakho le. But I thought great game from Ndaba mfe. I think that left side yena no Mremi mfe they played.
connect.
Yeah, they connected, they
Sure.
played, they gave us a lot of opportunities. Okasheba from first half ke ona side lane lespana mfe to pretty much the right side was dead for me first half one. So that's
Yeah,
Bilibili.
yeah.
Police
True.
they were not. Yeah,
And then I
it-
kept on complaining about Billy.
Bilibili like he was on gear 2 for me.
Sure.
Sure. Like inasa anyway, bona phela look at how Kena Lungu, the right side started becoming alive. Nesa Kena Lungu, Nesa he was always attacking, he was
Mara
always going
bekano
forward.
Khositsile ne?
Uyangithola?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Uthu Khositsile naye ayikusasa.
Phela uyabo la side labo bese
Sure,
gijima
sure.
lo. Uyang understand?
Sure.
So I think that boy Lungu mfethu. You
That
told just
man,
as Bilibili
man,
ka span. I told just as Bilibili ka span.
Yeah.
He's too good and unale height,
Madala.
inale body wabona like he inale pace, he has everything on his
Unale
side.
goal.
Inale goal wabona.
But
And
the
wabona or he has the heart wabona.
Sure.
So I'm fit I'm telling you that right back position in fit I'm thinking Boma second in fit
And what's nice about Lungu, uyamcava kudala ayi eMzansi because wafika I think uSuper Sport lo uyadlala and mina ngithukile no sebamdlalitse right back because usually mikadlala phambili njengosibilibili and I think uzosigaya experience eBhaya ndanga for team yethu since sineyintwana ezincane.
Mina ngithi leya ubhuti mfethu.
Amdala umalume. I
played
think he's
fantastic.
having 10 years adlala ku PSL
Sure.
now.
He was
Talk
great.
about a beautiful goal.
Yo, mfethu. Right on the head.
Sekuyophelwa.
I was with the way
Sabekisa
and at that time in Donna like Nasiki Fitil Pilaka,
Right.
penalty.
Yeah. Sipho chain, please.
Sipho
Retsorele
chain,
two.
you want to show prayer nyana. Hey, what's like
Yes.
no my
Aye, the boy showed up.
Mikunjani esigodini because mengekho show mekhlanyo ne.
Ndona ene for me ndona like next mfethu regular game ine for me mfethu ne.
No, ngisho after the goal.
Yo, after the goal,
Yeah, Spazi.
erupted.
Six
As
seconds,
after the
nine
goal,
minutes.
6 million not accept.
Yeah.
But for me, for to like, I think it came from that statement. Sorry, Paris is just a team.
Hey, big mistake.
I think immediately when game like like if you could sense nerves amongst supporters and players. Like we are playing safe passes. Ball and say, I'm thinking if I'm looking at the time, if it is for 20 minutes, I'm not seeing anything. If it's going to be a very, very difficult game. Denson kept on finding himself in good positions.
Sure.
He must practice on his shooting. Yes, terrible. It's not the dancing all shailen that thing against Sundown. And every time I go dancing, I'm like dancing.
Shoot.
I ain't get on. I really standing.
But I think clear that you know because one more limbatha lena mfethu ntsa shoota jwang of late.
Limbatha
le.
Sure. But Mbatha ndona like yena kudos to him because uqale vele ntsarisa sky ne. But eventually unalitsa Sasha but the rocket develop the rocket.
Lale kube ne save. Le goalkeeper I think first half.
Yeah. I'm told intention. So I think if we need to work on our shooting, like if it's on an Asian base, see what I'm like these small things, this set piece in the nice way. We've been crying from last season. If it, they must hire someone to one door like out. It must be dangerous every time you get a corner. And even it seems like there's no even planning. Because sometimes you see Remy Arumela maybe a police trying to give it to Tito. So I wonder it's not something that has been practiced go training. I think that's something they must look into because no way to so someone posted something Pirates with relay and Pirates without relay. One so like I gotta fit Undertaker on top of him. Cake Undertaker go to pay. But these first two games, Mr. Blamo, let's be honest. Performances, okay, results, we take them. But performances, it must be concern must be there.
But this is a chain in that.
Yeah.
That's good for us as much as like ngezwe no police kuyakhala ukuthi udlala kanjani. But we winning. That's what is important. And the more you win is the more you believe.
Yeah. No,
and I think
definitely.
last season, if you can check, we were not playing so bad, but we lost like 3 games. Let's lose 2. It is now 2 games we have won 2. As much as we're not playing there, but I think we're gonna get there. Kunale ntwana le abayifakile ubani 33 man le bayithathe ku Stellenbosch ayiyalitrapa le yanda
Mgobodi ledla leswing
asikhulu
show 6
sibonile itrapa kanjani le ya hayi khuleka ndaka hayi khuleka nalapho uzobona
hayi ngiyabuza umlambo ukhala ngetrappi
eyatsinda le yanda Fesage yabona ghost player ndanga ngefesage ngiyakutshela as much as angadlala igrand ngithola ini but uyabona ukuthi la
but sometimes you know what in fact I think sometimes we underestimate the PSL in that. So I think there's quality there. Like there's quality. Because even abanye abantu even players that come from the grassroots ngithola lezi scouts abovino Umasilela for instance. Now vocal like quality. But when he gets there, it almost seems like he's average. You want to like it. We like notice that.
But I think
let's say buy a vele, say tang vele from Did she some maybe from riding?
from a
Other
Dustin.
teams.
Casting, one so like riding as well. I defeat they become
But
average.
just,
One so.
let me answer you. It's different. Ngithi ibhola laseDustini nebhola langada. Uyangithola. That's why le ntwana lezi abazifana nabo police ezazi academy aborele.
Yeah.
Zigood like with like better decisions. Ubheke nalezi angada estate uFoden makena 23.
Yeah.
Seka ubaba. He's
Yeah.
now a senior. I think into esile ekhaya. But like a good player ntanga, I think it's kanti malo siya nabo masilela nayo le ntwana le. They're gonna find their feet by
Yeah.
Bazojoya.
Definitely.
Bazojoya.
Definitely. But now my argument was that I think we shouldn't like overlook equality as a PSA.
Yeah, I think another point as well is that Epukwini is not professional. I think.
Sure.
You are playing
Sure.
against some guys are nurses, some are petrol
Yes,
attendants,
yes,
Some are
yes,
accountants.
yes,
some are
yes,
accountants, yeah,
Yeah,
some are
yes.
students. So there's that as well.
Sure.
But like PSL is something like we
That's
wake
our
up every
profession.
day and we eat, we sleep, we do this thing every day.
Sure.
Yeah.
So I think there's that level as well.
Yeah, definitely. In fact. But overall, in fact, I'm happy with the win. Once I like it as well.
Yeah.
Performance, as I said, in fact, we need to improve on a lot of aspects. And so I was looking at my Melody Sundowns, so it could see what these guys are hungry. And so,
Yeah.
but when I think the fragilities that one last season, they are still there. And so, like I said, piece.
Yeah.
Apparently, they conceded 2 set piece goals. So, until like it, I think teams can still get to them. Until like it,
Yeah.
No when
I think-
Williams has a weakness. Fanele isebenze ngaye kakhulu.
Williams as well.
Ah,
Yeah, so-
weakness. Ashayo.
But I wanted to say, not team fair to our struggle still continuing up front. Yeah, well.
Yeah,
Because we need Umlungu to come. We need Umlungu to come.
We need him to come.
Yeah.
You were not there, you didn't witness it, Mr. Mlongo.
Ngimbonile kodwa
Uvelile lapho, don't tell him danger. Hey,
I just got
Slaya,
this
mate, it's Slaya,
If they're
don't
telling
tell
you
him.
next game they are gonna put this guy on the bench and say we are gonna introduce. If you start this guy, like, you don't have a goal scorer. To Kiradio Piani, Kimbutuma, there's no goal scorer. Those guys they don't wanna score goals.
Yeah. Sure.
Guy Mlungu, that guy is fresh, alright, in fit to fit, in fit. Nanzadla gara.
Yeah.
No,
No,
what's about
that's
that?
a
Bungam
good
like
one
Ren.
as
Hey,
well.
what's about Bungam Laba Nudipia, Kedes, one tola consistent item nat. Tolo match fit in fit. Kenya Mtuli in fit. Rodala Le Amazulu Wednesday. Start that guy in fit.
Sure.
Simbona.
For me as well, I think if it's a fully agree with you, coach.
Up front.
Like these strikers that we had, in fact, we've had them for a few seasons now. Radio
Yeah.
Man, Evidence Mahopa,
Butu.
Yanele Mbutu, Montola. Like, pretty much they give you the same thing. It's by now you know them, or it's not a fluke. in fact.
Yeah.
He'll give you the same performance.
Sure.
Montola, you'll give him 5 balls. I'm not saying it's that I'm not the shoot, that I'm not the trap. You want to
Yeah.
Uto trap ay one. Say 4, they bounce on his feet. You want to like it. So if it was the first touch, there's no way.
Can't play.
There's no way to like give that guy a chance.
Yeah.
Not put him in, Mr. Man.
Akangene mfethu.
Yeah.
Akangene Silbang. Mina that's why I think since isizini iqalile ngisajabulile ntanga ngibhakane. Angifuna ukutshela manga vele sokhala via performance but I think isiqale grand. Masingayibamba ntanga. Phela ungabona sesibanjwa maybe in game number 15 ngedraw.
Yeah.
Singawa winner wonke. If you can continue, winning becomes a habit.
Yeah.
But wabona namfethu ke ring fethu. Let's start Peterson unale experience omnati. Wantsona. Ha tlo hlohlela di goal mfethu.
Sebastian.
Yeah, Sebastian
Yeah,
Peterson. Yeah.
Peterson.
More benching. Let's have that Lutuli boy fit. Baba ithotsi chance sabo. Baba ithotsi, baba itreba. Abantu le standing. Yeah, abaplomeli Shenko la standing. Therona Shenko ilele Daudi. Abaplomeli Shenko. Ntwane Lutuli etlamile tlo thola chance.
And then I must get his chance.
Yeah, I do le mo benching. Ire ha o kene Sebastian. Harensa Sebastian ka 65 minutes. Reka Lutuli.
Yeah.
Wa bona re ke ding e jwa. Ke ena mtsoni da ntwe ya o rata taiso wa bona. Ba re ba ka ile chance feta
When you look at a problematic position for us for many years, it has always been that center forward position.
finishing. Yes.
So I think we have Luthuli huge potential.
Yeah.
Huge goals
Sure.
mfethu wanthola. Sebastian, you only seeing clips on YouTube, but you
Yeah.
could see what the guy is a power champ.
Yeah, and he did it at a higher standard.
Once all like
Yeah.
it,
Sure.
like, and you know these white guys, the Bajwang,
Sure.
very productive.
Yeah.
They're not interested in fleeks and
Next.
those things. One tall,
Sure.
they just want to put it in the net. One
Yeah.
tall, let's give him a chance. One tall, I
Yeah.
think if it, he'll score many goals. Of it. And I think the other guy that it keeps on raising his hand of it.
Icon.
Our policy keeps on giving us mild performances.
Yeah.
What can I'm fit? He raises his hand. You want to
Yeah.
like it? It's a difficult one next game. If I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't
In terms of
know.
who to start.
I don't know. We take a policy somewhere
Yeah.
so that at least to accommodate this young man, because
Sure.
this young man, in fact, and I think one of the guys said it, get it post match, or if it even is like football IQ, one
Yeah,
like
yeah,
decision
yeah,
making,
yeah, yeah.
one thought.
Sure.
As he play long
Smart.
shape more fast, he just wants to take another person, one thought.
Yeah.
Hit up, one thought,
That one is top talent.
change the ball, one thought,
Yeah.
so it's football brains, in fact.
Top talent.
Mr. Mlamoy deserves a chance, in fact.
Top talent.
Yeah, Maramina, for me,
Yeah.
I'll continue ngimfake second half. I think intanga masimfaka second half man kuba nale gesi nyusayo ntanga.
Yeah.
Even on that game you saw, I think mina njengoba ngihlale ngokutshela unginika umuremi, but I think yena ntanga engithukile make shaya u radio man ngale ya pass leya. Unalento le, unalento yokuthatha abantu. Nalapha eboxini uyavela, kunalapha avela khona athi uyashaya zasave lezi. Uyangithola, I think kunezinto ezibhayi. And the more siloko simfaka so, at least sinayo confident iyakhula uzogcina aba starter, but for me now ngaqhubeka ngowapolisi so naye ngimbuyise because siyakhala ngeperformance yakhe ngithola. I wouldn't take him out altogether, ngomqhubekisa ngimdlalisa untwana ngimfake second half.
No, I think he deserves that start.
deserves that
And in
start,
fact, if you look at that boy, you can tell he's special. In fact, I want to look at
special,
it as well.
he's
Yeah,
special.
throw him in the deep end. In fact, you'll swim. He won't sink. Want to look at it as well. Kenya Antoine, in fact, it was Antoine. In fact,
Because even sometimes in fact, they give him, because a good player sometimes don't monagane. Guy Polo like abe isolated.
Aliwan, yeah.
Against Boma 3 or 4 players,
Sure.
one thought.
I contain.
In fact, I contain one tola level rat, maybe a sharp one tola polelo raraibona.
Sure.
I'm like, this boy, in fact,
And-
there's
and-
something about it.
In a Vienna, wa bona no ntse re mkenya ka di second half re tja khile re need a goal. Wa bona. Santsane tlamela qale le game nje, a qale ya.
Yeah.
Ke a o tjhaela, there's something there.
Ne?
There's something.
And I don't necessarily drop a policy. I get a policy.
Can tell.
Ke fatigue I get cost one
Yeah.
so like give that loss riding
Form.
no
Match
his
fitness.
best friend one so
Oh,
like
yeah,
Jaden
yeah,
Adams,
okay.
one so so there's a lot in his life one so
Sure.
like then maybe he can do with the break
Sure.
go for a week one so
Yeah.
go to Dubai lo khaola mtabula wa nyana one so a re spane ka ntwana tse nyana o tla khutla one so like ile
Sure.
go to fit
Yeah.
because a policy we know a policy is special one so like
Yeah.
one of our talent that go Pagani one so
But also kudos to the club while you were there, Ntwana. They did give him an extra 2 weeks in the pre-season. When we went to Spain, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, they gave him some time.
Was it not all of them as well? Both
It was only a police.
A police by the extended, like,
Yeah.
Oh.
just for that loss, yeah.
But it seems like it wasn't enough. Maybe you needed maybe a month.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I mean, it can never be enough. You know, grief visual.
yeah. No, but I'm saying to ease it out. One
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Sometimes you need a bit longer. One so
Sure.
yeah.
Yeah, man. Come back. Poli. We wish you well, my boy.
So apparently this year, man, like okay, Bodela fell down. This year, my as well.
CMA is that challenge. I can
Ile
read
challenge
that.
eseva ku Morrison da. Yakhumbula nasikhathi Morrison sekathi uyavela.
Yeah, I can. But Lena Raki, we can make a mistake here. Because he misread the ball.
Flight of the ball.
Kanti it looked like a trap. So when he recovered, when he's covering back, I shy that tackle leader.
The way I learned
Stretch, yeah.
Ah.
On so.
You wanna have issues there.
But you know, sometimes get knock fella they don't be there.
Bodela ntwana mpula ile le qeta msiya phela bodela wa ile qeta ibonile le mshiu
Lazo zomkhava leshayile.
ela le yantanga ibuye like emva kwakhe imshiya ngathi la kwenzakali
Amarontsitse bodlela la ke understand phela nokuthala imali la ngokugijimile ubodlela la.
No limale la.
Ukugijimile.
Ayikho makayira.
Awunsitse moya kaofela la. Ke re bodlela rana ntshitse moya kaofela.
lela la ka
Sheba ya fela. Lona is not that it's too fast.
Ubodlela vela
yeah
ngapha kekho vele.
ayona unqetelise qeta msiya wa ntwana ke ra ki embarrassment qeta mwetsa
After wa you can try feel gore ya ka tla pe ya tlong embarrassa no.
Ene mayipiki yashaya.
Manje ayithusi there.
Iyeskorile ne.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think we have replacements there. In fact, there's Chabatsani. In fact, I don't know why I'm not seeing him on the bench.
Chabatsani was like
And I thought mebazofaka uChabatsani. I mekase standard ne.
He was not on the bench.
Phezulu.
Ngibona ngaphezulu, but he was not on the
Yeah,
bench.
mega phezulu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think you can solution there for CBC because he's left.
And he left
Nandi,
center back.
Sure.
Yeah.
Then but Garagusiema Gulangati we might have an issue. Otherwise Silandu Cloak.
Le I mistake of it. Le bad glasinda.
I mean I'm thinking Cloak in fact.
Hayi ndizaza mina uzulu. Uxokisa umbono nokubuya ku injalo. Azamene uzulu.
Umuntu osenior la fit.
Azamene. Na uye futhi sekakhuluma ngokuthi umuntu kusawuna vaka.
Sengifuna ukubonisa nini ukuthi aninavara. Ngibonisa nini kahle kahle ukuthi aninavara. Wangafuna ukuqoqa. Tshelana amabhakani ukuthi wangafuna ukuqoqa.
Ayimncanywa kabuhlungu. Obvious asimotivate le ntwana. But ubuye ukhabatheka mfisi.
Marubuyile lo wakithi.
Asikayini le ntwana lezi chance. Nangu uzulu hayi.
no but for experience if you can try Cloaky
And utsebele ka di free kick umnate Cloaky.
Zakijima le ntwana zamazulu. Uyibonile le number 2.
different TV coast
Amtshele man.
Mapha ama free kick.
Wabese.
Mapha ama free kick.
what is shaya what hit always a different
Udishaya mina yo.
what is shaya
Ukena mo Google re Cloaky free kick ubona ro tlosela yini.
maybe
Spectacular.
one ya na ma free kick
Siyamdinga naye akaploma ebhentini makaye asiqale ngozulu. If
Ne.
wakhabathekile.
Uzulu no Chabatsani.
Yeah.
yeah Chabatsani I fully agree I'm not sure
Phela
about
uChabatsane naye ngathi senior ntanga. Umbheke ngendlela adlala ngayo.
Adlala ngayo, yeah.
Yeah.
But why is he not on the bench in fact? But I don't understand. That boy deserves to be
Yeah.
he deserves to be there
in and around that first
even
line
that
now.
ngwato guy
In fact, dibaya ndona.
Zibaya ntwana zibaya mfethu you must just trim the squad there coach yorintsala
Mara 40 something players is a lot.
It's a lot.
a lot some guys just get paid in fact for they are not working
Wallaga getting paid for
No
that. Yeah, can't come. Salaga credit like
ah ntwana yikelona ntwana tamnusha ikiguilty tika itika tamnusha ikiguilty uthiyaka wena every time watabula mara mfethu hey how you want doing more how mfethu mara every time hey
yona
shanyana right this month is kan khafamba mfethu the grand
Abantu bahlala kuma penthouse.
What do you want to do?
Gym.
What's under Jimmy?
Ispani naleso.
ntwana like gymming ntwana is for your own personal benefit la mlobe mnata kere
yeah mfethu ufane ka di-results I mean akere phela ufane ka di-terms ha ba o qasha hore nna ke bona ke le fit hore le ka nka bokana
Mwanzoni. What's the same as what? A boxer.
Yeah.
One during the week, I am not training. One told I got heading.
Yeah.
You are not gonna get paid for training. One told.
hey it's part of preparation
Saturday, how low box? I want to. That's where we pay you. One told like
Okay, what did you say?
Gymming costume fit.
Mara.
Ah, they are
Mara mina
gymming.
ayilelanga nabo because ayilelanga nabo.
so far you're saying that guy must have sleepless nights because now of his
They
performance and
do. I'm telling you, they do have sleepless nights. If you are a soccer player not playing, akubi mnandi. Yangithola. Ngiyakutshela azikho mnandi. But akukho mnandi ukungadlali yangithola uhlala uhlelile. But like akusibo to play im ghost. Ucoach if akakuchuzanga. Like check for example Mabasa was crying mabasa mebathe akapresi kahle nekangekho kuma plans ka coach but uyashaya ispan ucoach mayingakujuzanga yeah ya nalezi ezinye ziyasebenza umfana kagogo yasigcobisa umfana kagogo.
Yeah, so after game Chiefs, we saw the draw. They drew us with Sikukune. So our next game, Mr. Mlambo. It seems like it's going to be a clear path, man. I don't think Sikukune will give us issues there.
Hey, Mina, it's going to be difficult.
You want Sundowns now or no? What la final?
I mean, ngibafuna noma kunini ntanga yekho thina ozozivimba. Asinavalo thina. Sinivalo hayi ekhuluma thina sipakaniya thina
manje usho ukuthi ungathatha ishebo sabantwana usethe
Good question.
Themba kangaka
hayi thithi ngikutshele something for personal reasons angisakembula mara kube mengisakembula mengizosithatha
mina ngiyatressa like usho bakho
no
ngiyatressa confidence
no
yakho
yayizwa lento eyisho
Nami yabona I'm surprised.
but izwa mina ngitshela
Surely want the easier route.
no ntanga nesikhukhune is not easy if you can check
Yeah, no, it's
and
not
if you can
easy.
check against Tina nesikhukhune like over the years Swelele Devon City and Sikhukhune ne Richards Bay I think now ilawo ma team
Yeah.
anokuzama ukusky problem
teams, yeah.
understand that's why mina ngisho mangiphendula ukuthi akekho thina ozozivimba ntanga thina siyahamba leyo shebo hayi mfethu leyo shebo for personal reasons ngeke ngisibheje ngeshebo sabantwana maka siyadlula ntanga
Ne?
But I also saw ukuthi sodlala nesikhukhune ka3. Angithi this fixture is going to be home and away.
Sure.
Yeah.
Then we have a fixture with the Premier League VA in that midst. So ngathi we're going to play them like three times in a row.
Okay, consecutive.
yo sobadla kay 3
And it's twice home, one away.
yo sobadla kay 3
Yeah.
kumnandi
Yeah.
nalabo Devon City bayenza soon ekhaya ngithi
For the
bazobuya I
league
think
game.
September yeah for league game
That was enough for me. That's what I'm saying now. I want to avoid Mamelodi Sundowns for now because I'm looking at our performances. Until like Dindwana, until also totally our best 11. Until then, Baba they're still going through some things. Until
Sure.
I'm thinking or bona Harga Watola the later stage where now
Serkopan.
we are in tune. Until like Sebastian is there, he's scoring goals. So until like
Sure.
Tito is back. Until Apolis is back. Until
Yeah.
so yeah, that's where we can.
Face them. I get your point. Get your point. But I know MTN 18 now, I'm not worried. In fact, I know it's our trophy. Yeah. Kibrothoba rona ba isale.
siyembombela nje soon siyazi sisithathela into yethu
Final.
bazoyisa embombela bayazi swina khona
Wednesday we playing against Amazulu, Mr. Mlambo. How do you approach this one, my man?
I think kugame izolo the only change make khona yakandaba for Hutu. I think mina ngaqhubeka ngale first 11 leya izolo if amagents agrand wonke angishintshi next mina personally ubani ngiyahluleka ukubiza igama Khotsitsile I think ngaqhubeka vele ngimfake second half
Utsonitsoni.
Tsoni hayi ngizomtholela nickname utsoni
Name yayi.
Yeah, utla letting chairman amita kayo.
Oh.
I think ngizomtholela but ntanga mina I'm not worried to tell the truth. I think I'm not worried as long as siqale ngokuwina mfethu. That is what is important. The more you win, the more you get confident mfethu. So gcine sifika lapha ya. Maswina no against Amazulu selele 28.
So you're saying the only change we share is introducing Utienot?
Ngiqhubeka ngondaba.
Oh, Kubanga.
Ngiqhubeka ngondaba.
I'm just thinking the Utolia 9, you must keep at least some minutes to him as well.
Angithi kune bench balo bayashintshisana mfethu. Ngiyangithola.
Wala khatinga.
I thought I feel like in the one towards the end of the game.
I did feel the same as well.
Coach is supposed to introduce Tieno to until like because the boy is not used to be playing every week until like 90 minutes.
But I think kudos to him second king extra time. he came back. Yeah, usukumisile vye. Yeah, but I agree with you. Ka 90 towards the end of the game. Na khathetse. Then I was saying just introduce what. But I think na say area go extra time. Phakamisitse. He played. But to approach this game, because I think Bodlela maybe might not be available. Chabatani, that's my ask. Yeah.
And then some of these guys, they can keep on getting away with this performances.
What's that?
They can't. Like, some of these guys, they can keep getting away with these performances. Dog.
Yeah.
But Tito must come to the party. Another only time when I'm willing to give appreciate that Tito wanna get my hat on at least you want to like it. But like he's supposed to run that game.
Can I ask you something? If Mbutuma scored them, it's gonna assist. Like I think we're gonna make contribution up by like game there. For
me, Tito was contender of man of the match. If we had won that game in 90 minutes, he was contender for man of the match. I'm sure there was a ball recovery. Did go boxing
like they could connect because you are straight. I think in Tanga, for me, like Mushaile na Sepalini, even scored a penalty.
Maybe we can but not overall like I'm expecting more from Tito and so on. Because now like if the relay is no longer there and so like supposed to run these games.
But
Tito
like
you must run this game. Okay, so many because it's difficult for our young dancing now like fully in the game, Mutuma to get fully in the game, our police in IFA, they will excuse him for now because of his things. But these guys need to pull up their socks. Those guys, that's
what I wanted to ask you. You're not throwing butter in there.
I think it was coming.
Maybe it's also that thing you're
that's what I
think. The legs are still heavy. It's the second game, wasn't it?
Sure,
second
game. So I think I think I'm not panicking. I know my boys are gonna give me the results.
I think you're still saying go to approach kanjani.
No, bengithi mina kule lena ngafakura le. Uchabatani da move. Hopefully Usiyama maybe and I can come back because he managed to finish the game. And then the rest, I would maybe say a police im relaxes and fagu khositsile.
Yeah.
That's another change I would make. Mbutuma Pedersen.
Mbutuma
Pedersen. Yeah.
And
the rest I can
I will lapha bahlala khona le phezulu angadli ne-ice ke ayele phezulu azi ukuthi ngeke adlale. I'm not saying like I think he must be hungry naye ntanga because now it's a second season. I don't think like because now yazi ntanga amasoye eground niyaza coach izongifaka mina coach uyangithanda. I feel ngathi sekunjalo. Yes, he did better but like ntanga he must do more for me. That's what I think.
Definitely. Now I'm in a point Mbutuma where it's like it's an ability thing for me. I don't think he can surpass none at this level. He's not your child.
He's trying.
He just doesn't have it. One month and what's now I never give him one so like him hamara Mbutuma ne. Now I wanna press high talk. And the factor like defense relax around Mbutuma. He works very hard on problem for like it comes when we are in position of the ball. So that's why I have an issue.
Because young lads is outside second new press and manje. We second new press. Sakumula mankuluma ngepress ka. My man. Sakumula mankuluma ngepress ka skomota mengisho ipress. So new press kuphela.
No, azange athi new press kuphela. Ngizile ngithini. I don't want to hammer him too much because at least when out of the ball, I like his effort.
Chasing.
He chases everyone. Even those aerial balls, like okay, most of them it doesn't win, but he makes sure ukuthi Russell's the defender wangithola kile so those are the small things that I part in future. Those are I said already. For me, I'd put him Sebastian Petersen.
Sure.
I take him straight there and put him there. Yeah.
Sure ngiyakuzwa.
I never thought the striker seslemo mfethu ushakulu fast. Then awusana go tlo pressa mfethu. Awusana go batlo relaxa ka bolo momrao batho ba ke re batlo dula ba ehlasa ka
Sure ngoba ya.
so awusa press uyabo awusa press uyangithola so uma uthola opportunity nge 2 minutes uyenza kwakho uzopressa ke
Yeah, Coast, you can jump straight to.
I think we got funa ukuyera something.
Also, for Paul, I think.
He said he spoke my mind.
Yeah, how are we looking our lock there?
Our look, gentlemen, so okay, sihlele kuma 1 games, 1 match is played, and then asinama point bafethu kusakhala 0-0.
Yeah.
And it's because it's predicted ukuthi Pagania liya winner, but that was 90 minutes. So we played a draw. So yeah, siluzile sonke and we stay on 0 points.
Sure.
Yeah, so number 1 Ghost, number 2 Fire, and then number amara ngithi ngibakai order.
Because uzofuna ukuqala. Mawuzothi number 1 yenza problem.
Number 1 Ghost.
Oh, F before Chi.
Do you must say from last season number 1 in Zeli Fire, and then it's still Fire for now because no one to like it.
Akutholi.
Ayenza kanjani?
He defending champion in fit. And then say it's village one no damn fit but now so mfiti ka. But no chala alphabetical order.
Season entsha iqala from 0-0 kafe.
Abawuthekisa tswelo pele.
Wontekisa tswelo pele nje. Hey yotiko phela.
Amniki number 1 okay number 1.
Yakazame futhi asimuzi. We playing against Amazulu.
We're playing against Amazulu on Wednesday. I'm giving it to Orlando Pirates win. The precise score will be 2 Orlando Pirates, 0 Amazulu.
Yabo kopa mina.
Ngoba wena ngakakhulumi indoda njani.
Ezenza wena.
Ayenza mina.
Ezenza wena.
It's precise.
Precise yabake.
Ayinize nayo itshelile ukuthi asotsha amazulu ngaka.
Sikhuluma kuqala.
Sikhuluma kuqala akuna stress.
Hayi 3-0 Pagania bafethu.
2-0.
Uhamba naye.
2-0.
Hayi.
Ngamna ngamba nyiwana. Ngiyayibona ukuthi
bayenza igroup work niyababona amapagania bayidiscuss emotweni.
Prediction njaka.
Orlando Pirates versus Amazulu.
Ngibona ngathi zizobuya. But stats City Pirates. Mara Amazulu na ifikile. Mara ningazigayi clean sheet phela. You must expect something in your polls also. Ngiyawuzwa nikhuluma ngama 0-0.
phela
Thine guys kosa akho do.
Yeah, maybe my 3-2.
Ulamthuthu ke loyo mapagania. Banjalo abulamthuthu mapagania.
awusipho umuntu ama clean sheet ukhohliwe especially ku league akazi.
Sizobona phambili. Futhi mama asicede kanje fire. If uba ne clean sheet uzokubhayila ibhola. Yabona. Mama bakora labantu laba. Mele ungibonge fire.
Adili nje.
Yena le ndaba yeshebo.
Hayi
indaba yeshe.
Yena ivelile.
Tata machal.
Phela next episode ke ukuthi baphelelepi.
Ngicela ubuye next episode nazokhona uku-account la. Ungadisappear.
Esifuna leya iVSOP leya.
Yeah. Yendezi. We've reached the end of the show, Mapagania. Once more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Mr. Mlambo.
Thanks bafethu. Keep on watching us and siyabona i-channel iyakhula ningakhohlwa we are the voice of the Paganias bafethu. So qhubeka sinigayi content emnandi.
Yeah.
Isemnandi njalo. Sivaleni Mapagania. Bupa.